All right. It's like 6 p.m. and it's snowing a bit hard. So the mass is ended, and we're just waiting for our daughter because she is one of the altar server here in the church. And yeah, it's kind of messy because of the snow, and I think it will rain um, probably later or tomorrow morning. But yeah, it is what it is, and it's the first snow, so yeah. All right, I'll update you probably when we got home. I need to shovel the sidewalk, and it's the law that you need to take care of your property. All right, we're going home, and my daughter is throwing me some ice. I mean snow. Hey, that's enough. Let's go. Let's go home. Let's go home. Ouch.
I love you, Dad.
Love you too.
Oh, Mama, sabi ni Dad, I love you.
And this lady is also. Hey, hey, hey. Let's go. We're in front of the church. Let's go. Let's go.
On the other side, Dad.
Huh? All right, guys. So it's about 10 a.m. Morning the next day after the winter storm or snowstorm, and it's still snowing right now. I believe last night was a mix of snow and rain, and let me check, and I guess we accumulated like probably more than 3 inches overnight. As you can see, the snow here, and it's melted, or some of it like probably washed out by the rain. But I still need to do the shoveling of the sidewalk. So yeah, I'm gonna be out for a while, and of course the driveway, just in case we need to go out with the car. So yeah, so look at this snow uh, on the deck. All right, so I'll get my things ready, and let's do this. And look at this. These are like hard uh, pile up snow, and these are really heavy. So you need to probably break it down first into pieces. Yeah, this one's really tough. All right, but we did some progress, and this one will be the last one. All right, let me just pause the video and I'll show you the final result. You know what? Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm gonna have a heart attack. All right, pause it for now. All right, so I think we're good for now. Driveway is cleared, and this is the hardest part when I did this earlier, because there are piles of big snow that's like a rock, like this one. So you need to break it down to, and this sidewalk that goes to the house is cleared, and all cleared here right into the front of the house. And this is the one disadvantage of a house in a corner, so you have a lot to shovel. So all through here, and I just want to thank my neighbor, because I believe they already shoveled this area earlier. So when I'm about to shovel this side, this is already cleared. So thank to you, neighbor Emilio, shout out. And yeah, so yeah, I hope the snow stops so that no more work about shoveling this sidewalk, because it's really hard. I mean, especially like this is what we call slush, mix of snow and water, or rain. It's getting heavy because there's water on it. All right, so in case we gotta get out, so the car is free. And yeah, it's still snowing, so but it actually melting when it reached the what you call this, the ground, because it's a bit what you call this, mix of snow and rain. All right, so yeah, we're gonna go inside because really sweat, I don't know, mix up snow and sweat. And yeah, probably time for a hot cocoa or coffee. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for now here. I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching. So I hope we could get a Hot Wheels hunting video again. So yeah, see you to the next one. Like, subscribe if you like this video. Alright, bye for now.